4 signs na kulang na ang insurance mo. Listen carefully kasi this might be your wake-up call. Sign number 1. Tumaas na ang gastos pero insurance policy mo same pa din. Dati, okay na ang 500,000 or 1 million coverage. Pero ngayon, may asawa ka na, may anak, may bahay, may kotse. Kung may mangyari bukas, kaya pa ba ng policy mo ang lahat ng responsibilities na yan? Sign number 2. Tumaas ang income mo pero hindi sumabay ang coverage mo. Level up na ang sweldo, ang lifestyle mo, pero ang insurance mo, naiiwan sa version 1.0. The more you earn, the more you have to protect. Sign number 3. May bagong taong umaasa sa'yo. Dati, you're a single professional, hindi ka breadwinner, sarili mo lang ang iniisip mo. Ngayon, may family ka na, may anak, parents na sinusupport. As love grows, so should your protection. Sign number 4. May health scare or emergency na nagpagising sa'yo. Naranasan mo na ba? Nagkaroon ng emergency, tapos napansin mo na kulang pala yung health fund mo or ng family mo? Ang hirap nun. Huwag mo na hintayin na mangyari ulit yun ha. If any of these signals feel familiar, this is your sign to review or upgrade your insurance policy. Life change. Your protection should too. Just comment down the word review or PM me directly and let's check if your coverage still fits your life today. Dahil mahal mo ang pamilya mo, dahil mahal mo ang sarili mo, make sure your protection matches your purpose.